Presiden Berim ke NPP Ubedairu MP ke Rajya Sabha Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi ne kasing khatsantrik yayong ulaong baka isu ne kamat ke bayadei berkelentirel haka jing shisha kalakutno namar ke sorkar jela kalapen paino ia kasong pisa kaba arspa kelur tingka kabalamang daka sorkar pedeng na kebenta ke jing syem jaka ban pentrekam ya ke projek lentirel haka jela ka sorkar jela kalapen paino ia ke pisa kumta ka subjek kalakut no tanghangta ong Dr. Kharlukhi haba kren syakilat pathai khubor haba penpau halor ka rai jong ka sorkar bantau ya ka all party committee ban ya kren ya ki kam bayadei ber ka jing penyaso lentirel hapo rilum khasi bajantia menta ka sorkar kalapan phaino ya ka pisa bat kumta nangno kinyo biang ya ka pisa ulabu jingkeli kat kum ka jing ong jong u ka jing terwa ban penlong ya ka jing yalang ya mir jingmut kala banlong na ka benta ban wanra ya ki projek lentirel ha ki por ki bandang wan halor ka rai jong ka seng voice of the people party VPP ban omwan ya shimbenta ha ka ni ka all party committee ban ya kran halor ka lentirel uni unong yalam ka NPP ulaong ka ei ka ba ka sorkar ka don kam ka long ka jing persya ka batei ngam tip da ka ba ngam don ha kata ka komiti ya mir jingmut la ka long ka batei ne ka ba penjot ngam tip ula benram
railways everybody has agreed, even the government has returned the money, so subject ends there, but they have returned the money, so consultative maybe I don't know how many years then we come out back again. Now you have returned the money, where will you get the money again? What the government need is a constructive opposition. So I don't know, by not being in that consultative committee, whether it's constructive or destructive, I don't know.